Okay, so we're making tea here at the senior citizen home, and we put milk and we put cardamom. And if I could understand, I would know exactly how to make the tea. But I know it's going to be delicious.
Sugar?
Sugar? Okay. Do you make
tea, coffee,
okay. Now, do you use jaggery or do you use regular sugar? Sugar. Yeah. Okay. Just a little bit. Yes. Smells really good.
Oh!